Hello, nice to have you here. In this video, I will talk to you about what follows in the course ahead. Vulkan is a low-level library, and I want you to get in with the right expectation. Unlike other graphics libraries, with Vulkan we need to write quite a few lines of code before we can render anything. The course will start by teaching you the basic principles Vulkan uses and creating the Vulkan instance. The Vulkan instance helps us initialize the whole library and gives us access to the devices. We will then look into validation layers. These are development systems that help us with useful information, especially about errors in our code. Next, we will choose a physical device from the system. Then create a logical device with the features that we want, and also request device queues. These are used later to send commands to the devices. Then we will set up our swap chain. These are the rules for how we will display our frames. After that, we will get into more tedious and exciting part of setting up our graphics pipeline. Each frame has to go through a series of controllable or programmable steps before it is presented on the screen. This is what the graphics pipeline does. Finally, we will set up our rendering commands where we will see our first triangle on the screen. After that, I will show you how to store data on the GPU in vertex, index, and uniform buffers and use that in the graphics pipeline. And we will finish with adding textures and rendering a textured rectangle. These are the most basic concepts to start your journey in Vulkan. This course won't cover more advanced concepts like lights, shadows, or animations. I will also not cover how to create custom memory allocators for Vulkan. And the third thing that this course doesn't cover extensively is mathematical theory. Otherwise, I will teach you some basic mathematical concepts and some graphics theory. You don't need to have advanced knowledge to get started. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get you started.